No, no, no. You'll be fine.
Oh boy.
No, no. Just start it slow. Like,
Alright. It's a little wet, so don't step on it. Just start it slow. Here, wait. Oh shoot. Here, let's go. Here. Okay, which one's up? And which one's turn? Let's go to right real quick. I'll let you do it, but you should probably have read the instructions.
okay, I don't want to do that. What? Okay. What's this?
That's turn. Or go forward.
You might need to charge it more. It might not have enough gas.
Just set it on.
No, because it won't start straight up. This will start straight up.
Kill it. All the way down. It's so hard to control.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Here.
What if I just jam it up?
Here.
Here.
Here. But know that it's all the way down to turn it off. Like,
go. Go.
you got it now?
Oh boy.
Get off! What are you doing? Sorry to be a buzzkill, but you know.
It went like 5 going down.
It was like 100 feet down. We couldn't turn it off. We were running down the street and it flew into someone's yard. Backyard? No, we got it back.
You have to find a tweet. Indoor.
No, we were sprinting down the Kizzy walking shoulder. So we couldn't get it off the ground. So I said, screw it. Hammer the button up. Hammer it up. And we're running down there, full sprinting down the street. It landed in someone's backyard. The house next to Sheepus. Backyard? He's a little bit of an older guy. We knocked on his door and he got it for us.
Came right back here, huh?
He was like,
I took off the head control of it, and then